Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix shortcut is crashing on your iPhone in iOS 15, 15.1 on iOS 15.2. So guys, if your shortcut is crashing on launch and after launching, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So first of all guys, you need to open your iPhone or iPad setting. Just open the setting guys, then simply scroll down, click on general, then click on iPhone or iPad storage. So the method is same for iPhone or iPad. Now guys, find the shortcut app on your iPhone storage, then click on it, then click on offload app. Then guys, simply click on reinstall the app, then go back to your home screen and the shortcut app will reinstall. Now as you can see, the app is reinstalling. Now after the reinstall, your problem will be solved. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.